What's up, chat? How you all doing? Let's start our new stream. We have already posted around 300 points in pre-NY session, almost 200 points, yes. On NQ and on ES, we have moved almost 22 points. So I was awaiting for a retracement, and we can clearly see it now that after market open, price is currently retracing. I am not expecting a new ATH today. Let's see, let's do some analysis. So price currently rejected from this 30-minute resistance area, same on 1 hour time frame, and we have another resistance above here. Also we have this new resistance, and let's check our 4-hour resistance. Okay, so price barely touched this 4-hour resistance and dropped instantly, and let's mark another resistance over here on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I am expecting a pullback from this break and retraced area, and we have another support area around 29,834. All right, so I have marked all our key resistance and support areas. All I have to do is wait for a retracement or a closure below the orb range. Almost 3 minutes left till we get our opening range. Opening range marking will be in the next 3 minutes, and I am currently awaiting a good A+ setup. It was an A+ setup, but I wasn't available on the stream. As you can see here, this is a beautiful divergence on NQ with ES, and price drop instantly. So let's see what we get. We are currently rejecting from this weekly VWAP again, like yesterday. So let's see. If I want to go long here, I want the 3-minute or 5-minute candle to reclaim above this weekly VWAP, a good bullish candle, a closure above this weekly candle or weekly VWAP. And then I'm gonna target all the way to this recent high, this opening range high, and we are about to get our opening range in few seconds. I'm sitting on hand. I don't want to push any buttons. I will only execute if we get something clear, because on Wednesday and Thursdays we get move late, okay, like around after the open in next 3 to 4 hours we will definitely see some push, because we are like going towards the week closure, week end, so price slow down. So let's see what we will get today. Okay, order flow is also showing good movement, and the volume profile is also showing us that we have this LVN, low volume note, at around 29,830 area. So let's see. I'm talking about this support area. Let's see what price will do from here. And ES is already pushing up. I want a divergence. If I want to go long here, I want a clear divergence. Otherwise I'm not pushing any buttons, right? So I'm waiting. I don't think that this is a divergence. 821, nah, no divergence here. I think price will respect this bearish divergence, and if we close above this, let me check, if the price close above this, like IFVG, then I'm interested in the long. Otherwise only bearish today, unless we have like if we get something like this, oh my god, It's been long I have used these tools. Yeah, if you get something like this and closure above, then I am interested in a long position here. So let's see. I am patiently waiting. Okay. Can you guys hear me clearly? Those who have recently joined, please like the stream. Okay, so we are rejecting from the midnight VWAP. Obviously, this VWAP is not as strong as compared to the 930 VWAP and the weekly and the monthly VWAP and the previous 930 VWAP. I will definitely make a separate video explaining all the VWAPs, so be patient. I'll be dropping so much content in the coming days, which will definitely help you to like trade independently. Also, you should have you must have idea, you guys know what I'm doing on streams, how I trade, my strategy and all of that. My strategy specifically is orb ranges and VWAPs and IFVG and support and resistance. So it's a complete package, and I also have my personal private indicator, and it will be published soon. It will be available for public very soon. It has so many options. We have built it according to my strategy. So yes, ES is stuck and NQ is dropping. Alright, we are approaching to this support area which I was talking about. This support is a strong support area, but I also want to see ES pushing downside, because it is not. So it means that sellers are dying here, exhausting, like seller currently exhausting, and they don't want to put price to the downside further. So as you can see, a little spike from this midnight VWAP. Obviously it's not as important because I can see a divergence here. See, this is a small divergence, but it is not as good. But we will definitely see what price is going to offer here. One hour candle closure in the next 8 minutes. I want to see the rejection. I want to see how price reacts. We also have this strong divergence, I think 820 and 824 and 824 and 821. Yeah, we also have this divergence. Here's the push. Here's the push. Oh my god, this is good. I am waiting to see something clear, then I if we get a closure above this 930 VWAP, I'm talking about this VWAP. If we get a closure above, I'm interested in a long position, right? We will go long if we get a good closure above this area. We also have divergence, so let's see. It rejected from the 15-minute support. So yes, it's better to wait. I am patiently waiting. Guys, remember I talked about this break and retest area on higher time frame. You see, so if we get a closure above that, this was our break and retest of the previous resistance area. I'm expecting next candle to like open, wick down, and then continue pushing up. If we does that, then I'm interested in a long position. Otherwise, let's see. We are getting rejected from this 930 VWAP. As I already said, I want a closure above this VWAP, a good candle closure. We have this divergence, a rejection from 15-minute support area. Obviously 15-minute time frame is not as strong as compared to 30-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So let's see how price will react. We still have 6 more minutes to go till we get an hourly closure, so let's see. By the way, how many of you guys trade gold? Do let me know so I can share setups of gold also. Okay, let me clean my camera so I can post a story on Instagram. Oops, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm waiting patiently till I get something clear, something clean. Okay. Price already slow down, and let's see on ES. As you can see, we have currently rejecting from this 930 VWAP twice, so I think we might get a closure above this 930 VWAP. Okay, this candle looks good. Let's see what we have. Alright, I don't want to push any buttons. Okay. Minutes till we get the candle. Let's check if we have any news today. I don't think so. We have any data. We already had 8:30 a.m. so yes, we don't have further news for today. Another rejection from this 930 VWAP. It's better to wait patiently. I think we might get a move later. Okay, we still have a few seconds left for our 1 hour candle closure. It's a total mess up on higher time frame. We can see no clear direction, no clear move, consolidation, and then we have a clean drop, then price push up, consolidation, then a good bullish rally, and then a big rejection yesterday, and then again we went like on a higher perspective. You can see we are currently in a consolidation phase. This whole area, we are currently stuck in this phase, in this range for the past few days, and we get a closure on 1 hour time frame, but okay, we have a slight close above this 930 VWAP on 5-minute time. Damn, that was quick. Okay, let me check. Let's check. Okay, so I think I'm gonna enter in a position. Let's wait for the closure. As you can see here, we have closed above this ORH opening range high of on ES. So I think let's try long, not try, 100% confirmation. Let's wait. Okay. Damn, this rejection does not look good on NQ. Let's wait patiently for price to perform whatever it is doing. I just want to, like, sit on the sideways unless we get something clean, something clear. Gold is also dropping. Do we have a divergence here? I think we have a divergence. Let's show 927, 927. Kind of a divergence, which is not obviously A plus, but 927, 930, 930. Yeah, we have a divergence here. This one. And here we have two scenarios. If I want to be in a bullish trade, then I want to see a closure above this 930 VWAP. We already have a divergence, right? Let's check all our scenarios. We have rejected from the 15-minute support. Obviously we have missed our main support, and I do have a feeling that we might come here again, but as of now there's no confirmation. Obviously I'm not a market maker. What I'm seeing is we have bearish divergence, we have bullish divergence, and we are currently stuck in a range, currently stuck in an opening range. Okay, and on ES we are currently bullish, right? We are not stuck on ES, we are pushing good to the upside. So for bullish run, I want price to close above this 930 VWAP. We have rejection from 15-minute support area. We also have divergence, but price is not moving. Okay, price is not moving. On the other hand, for ES, we have good divergence and we don't reject. I don't think we rejected. Yeah, no rejection on ES. Like, we have the support area, we have multiple supports on ES, but price did not reject from any of the support area and randomly pushed out, right? Obviously for some it's not random, there might be some reason. I'm talking about my strategy, my philosophy, how I trade. Okay, so this is not what I want to see. This is not the setup I want to be in. Okay, I'm expecting a wick fill setup, this whole wick fill, or at least 50 to 70% wick fill, and we might see a continued push towards downside and rejection from the support area on ES, right? So I think it's better to wait. I'm damn sure we will see something clean today that can be easily tradable. So let's say if we close above this IFVG area, so how many confirmations we have? We already have 3 to 4 confirmations, right? First, this 15-minute support area, and obviously the second confirmation is we closed above this opening range low, we reclaimed this, right? And if we close above this IFVG area, then we have the first confirmation is support rejection, divergence, reclaimed orb range, reclaimed weekly VWAP. So we have multiple confirmations, right? If we close this candle good with good volume, I am gonna enter in a long position, right? We have almost 3 minutes left. We have almost 1.5 minutes left on the closure of 3 minutes. So I think if this candle closes with good volume, we will definitely be in a long position, and I'm gonna target all the way to this high, right? This volume, the volume does look good on ES, on NQ, right? So let's wait to see the closure of this candle, and we will enter in a long position, right? No rush, we have whole day. We just we are only into like 45 minutes into market open, and we have whole day, right? So let's not push any button in hurry. Okay, the volume looks good. Look at the ES, right? ES is also trying to close above this opening range high, right? We have this opening range, and this is our opening range low, and this is our opening range high, and right, this looks good, this looks good. And let's fail this, or let's fail this divergence, bearish divergence, and I think it's time to enter a long position, right? Let's wait for 16 more seconds. Right, the volume looks good, this candle looks good, and right, on the break of this high, I want to be in a long position here. I am waiting. We will go long here. Alright, I'm going long here, targeting this high, or maybe this resistance area, and putting our SL to the low of this opening range. Okay guys, I'm in a long position. Okay, so I am in a long position. We have rejected from this 15-minute support area. We also have divergence with ES, and price also reclaimed this opening range low and closure above this IFVG area, and also reclaimed the weekly VWAP. ES also closed above the opening range high, so it's a good A plus setup. All right, a good candle, a good volume candle on 5-minute also. So I am expanding my targets all the way to this new 4-hour and 1-hour resistance, and putting SL below this midnight VWAP. Alright guys, set and forget. Now we will wait patiently to see how this trade performs. Okay, we are retesting this IFVG. Okay guys, we are in a long position. It is a good setup. Yeah, we are rejecting from this Asian low, orb range. Let's see how we react here, and if we see many rejections around this area, we will book completely at 1-to-1 RR. So let's wait patiently. This will be our 7 days win streak, all profitable trades on live stream. all TPs on live streams. We are going good. Don't forget to like the stream and smash the subscribe button. Those who have recently joined this stream, I am in a long position. I have already mentioned all the confirmations. Oh damn, that's a push. This is a good push on. Oh my god, what happened? Beautiful trade. Oh damn. This was a good TP. This was a good push. Bingo. I am fully out. I am fully out, guys. W's in the chat. I have completely booked my position. I am out on this trade. Bingo. What a beautiful trade on NQ. What a beautiful trade. W's in the chat. We have secured 1.27 RR, 121 points on NQ. Just like that, man. Just like that. Beautiful TP, beautiful target. And I think in just 10 minutes we have got our chunks, and now we will touch some grass. See you guys tomorrow on the stream, same time. Don't forget to like and subscribe the stream. This will count as our 7th profitable day, and all TPs on live stream. Bingo, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.